Shifting focus to the aviation space now, India's top airlines, Indigo and Air India, now are urging the government to ease new cabin crew fatigue rules. According to Reuters sources, these changes could disrupt the schedules and also affect the growth. Joining me now with all the details is my colleague Richa Sharma. Hi Richa, good afternoon to you. We've been hearing and seeing a lot of changes with that respect. We just are, the memory of Indigo crisis is very much fresh in our memory as well. That took place in December and all of January as well. Slowly and gradually, Indigo is now coming back onto the radar. FDDL rules are now being, followed as well. But why this fresh, again, urging the government on easing of the rules as far as the cabin crew rules are concerned, the fatigue rules are concerned? What's really happening there?
Yes, actually, thank you. And as you mentioned, it was just February 10th when the extension was lifted, and we are again back hearing about the same norms. In fact, these are part of the same rules which came out, draft rules which came out in October, where for the crew also, for the cabin crew also. So the DGCA directed, reducing the time period depending upon the landing. So what we see in India, we have, frequent landing because maximum duration in aircraft is 3 hours.
Yeah.
But for a shorter flights, you see if it's Delhi, Lucknow, it's a very small, short duration flight. So what the new rules do is they decide the cabin crew work timings also based on the landings. So if they, achieve a maximum number of landings, then they have to give in a rest. While the airlines want that it should be decided on the flight duty period, like the number of hours they give during the flight.
Okay.
So one of the main causes this, and these draft rules for the cabin crew are already being challenged in the court. They have already reached the court, and court is hearing the matter because it was said that this benefits primarily the airlines on the long haul durations, for the international flights. So they're already being challenged. And secondly, what we also know as part of these rules is one of the things is sharing of hotels by the cabin crew. So as of now, it's a twin sharing basis where the cabin crews are given. The new rules say that for the better rest, it should be a single occupancy. So airlines have been saying that this will add to their cost if each cabin crew is provided a single room. So this is also one of the issue they have been flagging. And now that there's a thing going on, the airlines are now saying primarily the three major airlines of Indigo, Air India, and SpiceJet. They have written to the DGC in January saying that they want relaxation. Otherwise, it will also disrupt their schedule because cabin crew availability will become a challenge like the pilots.
Okay. Thank you so much, Richa, for sharing all these updates.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.